All right, so 6 was the second and last of the integration problems or antiderivative problems that were commonly missed. So this one says the graph y equals f of x is shown in the figure above. If a1 and a2 are positive numbers, so that's a key thing there, they're not taking into account that below is negative, so they're just saying they're both positive, so like the magnitudes of the area. That represents the area of the shaded regions. Then in terms of a1 and a2, find this expression. So I have integral from -4 to 4 of f of x dx. So if I look at the graph, that's going from -4 over to 4. All right, so we're going to have a1, and then we're going to take away a2. All right, because that would be the area from -4 to 4, because a1 is positive, a2 is a positive number, but it's below, so we're going to treat it as a negative. All right, then we have minus 2 times the integral from -1 to 4 of f of x dx. So I've got my -2, and now I need to plug in an expression for -1. So from here to 4 here. All right, that one's going to be the opposite of a2, because a2 is the positive version, but it's below the x-axis, so we're going to take a negative. So in total, I have a1 minus a2 plus 2a2. That's going to be an a1 plus an a2. So a correct answer on this one is a1 plus a2, which is choice D. All right, and that is number 6 explained. I hope that was helpful. Have a great day. Bye.